In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to point a CNAME record from Cloudflare to WP Engine in 2025. We'll go through all the necessary steps to make sure your domain is pointing correctly, ensuring a smooth transition without an interruption in service. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Cloudflare dashboard. This is where all your domain settings are managed. So having your credentials handy will make this step quick and effortless. Once you're in, you need to select the specific domain you want to work with. Clicking on your domain will direct you to a menu where you'll find the option for DNS settings. This is crucial because DNS settings are essentially what connect your domain to your web hosting platform, and any changes here will determine how your website is accessed on the internet. With the DNS settings screen open, it's time to add a CNAME record or modify an existing entry if you have one. A CNAME record essentially acts like an alias for your domain and is pivotal when pointing to another hosting service like WP Engine. When you click to add or edit a CNAME, a form will appear, prompting you to input some specific information. In the name field, enter www or whatever your subdomain might be. This tells the internet which specific part of your domain is being directed elsewhere. Make sure this is accurate, as any mistake here could lead to unexpected results. Next, in the target or value field, you'll need to input your specific WP Engine install domain. This typically looks something like yourinstall.wpengine.com. This is a crucial step, as this is essentially the address of your WP Engine hosting space. Make sure that the TTL, or time to live, is set to auto. TTL determines how long DNS information is cached, and setting it to auto ensures that any changes you make are updated appropriately without much delay. And finally, for the proxy status, you should select DNS only, which is recommended for WP Engine setups. This ensures that the traffic is directed properly without additional handling from Cloudflare, which can sometimes complicate things with services that have their own security layers. Once you have these settings configured, make sure to save the DNS record. This commits your changes and begins the process of updating the DNS information across the internet. Now, you'll want to log into your WP Engine dashboard. Navigate to the domain section and add the domain that you've just configured in Cloudflare. Verifying here ensures that everything is linked correctly. Once this is done, be patient as DNS propagation can take some time, ranging from a few minutes to a few hours. And there you have it, all the steps necessary to successfully point your CNAME record from Cloudflare to WP Engine. If all goes as planned, your domain should seamlessly redirect to your WP Engine hosted site. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips. Until next time, happy web hosting.